Log in to the Huawei Enterprise Technical Support website. Register an account and log in. Upgrade to a product customer account. Method 1. Download on the FusionSolar app. Open the FusionSolar app. Log in. Services. Device commissioning. Select the device update package to be downloaded. Download. Update. Method 2. FusionSolar software download. Search for and download the latest software package of the product. Save the software to the specified directory. Disable WLAN and mobile data on your phone. Place your phone close to the inverter. Open the FusionSolar app. Choose Commission Device. Connect your phone to the WLAN as prompted. Scan the device QR code. Connect to the inverter. Method 1. Log in with the local installer account. Maintenance. Upgrade. Method 2. Log in with the local user account. Set. Upgrade. Upgrade the device software version as prompted.